If you're a homeowner in Conway looking to enhance your property's aesthetic and market value, door replacement is one of the smartest upgrades you can make. A new door not only improves the look and feel of your home's exterior, but also signals quality, security, and style to both visitors and potential buyers. Here's why investing in a door replacement can be a game changer for your curb appeal and your bottom line. First impression. Start at the door. Your front door is one of the first things people notice about your home. An outdated, worn, or dented door can drag down your home's entire appearance, even if the rest of your property is well maintained. Conversely, a modern, stylish door can elevate your home's aesthetic and set the tone for what's inside. In Conway's competitive real estate market, curb appeal plays a major role in a buyer's first impression. Replacing an old door with a fresh design, perhaps one that includes decorative glass, rich wood grain, or bold color, creates an inviting entryway that grabs attention and generates positive perceptions. Energy efficiency adds value. Many older doors lack proper insulation, leading to drafts and higher energy bills. Replacing them with energy-efficient models not only saves you money month after month, but it also makes your home more attractive to eco-conscious buyers. New doors often come with advanced features such as insulated cores, weather stripping, and double or triple pane glass. These features keep your home more comfortable year-round and reduce strain on HVAC systems. In a climate like Conway's, where seasons can vary significantly, energy efficiency is a huge value add. Improved security for peace of mind. Beyond aesthetics and efficiency, a new door significantly improves your home's security. Modern entry doors are built with stronger materials, better locks, and reinforced frames, features that are crucial in today's security-conscious world. Whether it's a solid core wood door, a steel security model, or a fiberglass option, replacement doors often come with multi-point locking systems and impact-resistant designs. These not only deter break-ins but also give you and future buyers peace of mind. Return on investment you can count on. Replacing a door is not just a cosmetic fix, it's a smart financial decision. According to industry data, homeowners often recoup a large portion of the cost of a new front door at resale. In fact, it's one of the top-ranked home improvements for return on investment. In Conway, where homebuyers are increasingly looking for move-in-ready properties, a brand new door can be a standout feature. It shows that the home has been cared for and updated, which increases buyer confidence and can lead to higher offers. Customization to match your style. Today's door replacement options offer a range of styles, finishes, and hardware so you can choose a look that complements your home's architecture. From classic craftsman styles to sleek modern designs, there's a door that fits your vision and your budget. You can also personalize your entryway with features like side lights, transom windows, smart locks, or even touchless entry. These upgrades not only improve functionality but also add unique appeal that differentiates your home from others in the neighborhood. A small change that makes a big impact. In summary, replacing your front door in Conway is a simple yet powerful upgrade that boosts both curb appeal and home value. It's an investment that pays off visually, functionally, and financially, whether you plan to sell soon or just want to enjoy a more beautiful, secure, and efficient home. If you're ready to make a high-impact improvement, door replacement might be the first, and smartest, step toward a more appealing and valuable home.